In this video, we're going to learn how to work with Ollama models. And the Ollama command line application has a number of commands for managing and working with models. So let's take a look at a few of those. So list will list any models that you have downloaded to your local machine. Pull will download a model to your local machine, and we'll see some of the options for doing this. If you use the run command, that will serve a model, and it will download it if it's not already downloaded. PS will list any models that we're currently running. Stop will stop a currently running model. And RM will remove a model so that you can save space. The format for this is going to be the command line application Ollama and then the command. And if a model is idle for more than 4 minutes, Ollama will stop serving it. Now, if it goes down to it's been idle for, say, 3 minutes, and then you use it, then it will reset the clock back to 4 minutes. And if it does stop serving it, then once you use it again, it will automatically start running it again. In the command line for a WSL instance, we can see how some of these Ollama commands are going to work. For example, I'll just start off with Ollama list, which will list all of the downloaded models. So here I have a Mistral model, a 5.4 model, and a Llama model. Now notice the tag after the colon, latest. This means the default model size. Each model has a certain number of parameters. And if you go to the model catalog, so if you go to ollama.com and then models, and then this will go to the model catalog, and you can see all the different models that are available here listed by popularity. I'm going to scroll down to Quinn 2.5. And you can see here that there's that the default parameter size, the default number of parameters is 7 billion. So if I just download Quinn 2.5 without anything else, it's going to give me that 7 billion parameter model. However, you can see anywhere from 500 million to 72 billion parameters are available. So if I wanted to download the 3 billion parameter model, then I would have to use the 3B tag for 3 billion. So let's do that. Let's go back over to the command line, and I'm going to say Ollama pull Quinn 2.5 colon 3B. And it's going to download that 3 billion parameter model, and I'll speed this up through the magic of video. And now if I run Ollama list again, you'll see that the Quinn 2.5 3 billion parameter model has been downloaded. Let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at the PS command. This will list any running models, and here there are none. So if I want to run a model, I could use Ollama run, and in this case I'll use the Quinn 2.5 3 billion model, 3 billion parameter rather model. And this can take a few seconds if it's a large model, but in this case it's not. So now if I go over here to this other tab and run Ollama PS, I'll see that this model is now running. Now notice this until over here, 4 minutes from now. If a model is idling for more than 4 minutes, then it will automatically shut down. However, if you start to interact with it again, it will automatically start to run again. So let's wait again through the magic of video and for 4 minutes and see what happens. It hasn't been 4 minutes yet, but I do want to go ahead and run Ollama PS again, and you'll see now we have to wait another 3 minutes until this model times out. It has now been longer than 4 minutes total, and if I run Ollama PS, you'll see that this model is no longer running. However, notice I did not exit from this prompt here. And so if I say something like, generate a tweet about how awesome Ollama is, notice it pauses a little because it's having to restart the model. And then if I go back over here, you'll see that the model is again running. Now, even if I exit the prompt with /by, and go back over here, you'll see the model is still running. So in order to stop the model, I would have to run Ollama stop and then Quinn 2.5 3b. And now if I run Ollama PS, you'll see that it has indeed stopped. However, it's still on my machine, so if I want to remove it, then I would say Ollama remove Quinn 2.5 3b. It deleted it, and now if I say Ollama list, or rather spell it correctly, that the model is now gone.